Hello and welcome back. Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, when I look at satellite imagery, we'll notice that there are drier conditions. We do have clearer skies across the open Caribbean this evening. Intensifying high pressure is yielding these fair weather conditions across the area. We also have an intensifying of the wind pattern across the region. We have strong easterlies over the open waters, helping to carry much of that cloud activity further towards the western portion of the basin and out of the area. There are some isolated thunderstorms across Cuba. That dying frontal system still north of the area. We can see the distinct shower and thunderstorm bands across the northern portion north of the Caribbean. We also expect this system to be moving away and weakening, lingering shower activity across sections of Cuba over the next couple of days. Now, the forecast for tonight expect generally fair skies across most of the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 25 degrees Celsius both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. We have 5-knot winds on both coasts tonight. We expect the winds from the north out of the southeast, while the winds across the south coast are expected to be northerly. In the morning tomorrow, expect generally fair conditions across most of the island. In the afternoon, it's partly cloudy across inland areas, but we do also expect sunny conditions across coastal regions. We expect temperatures to reach 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 34 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it generally fair in the afternoon, for most of the day rather, in Morant Bay as well as in Kingston. Also for Portmore, Mapen and over coastal Black River and Negril, we expect strong winds as well across most of the southeast. Some clouds are expected to develop in the afternoon across Halfway Tree, also Spanish Town, Mandeville, Falmouth, Montego Bay, as well as Lucy, Savannah, Lamar and Santa Cruz. Now, for inland areas, expect some isolated showers if you're in Moco. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy in Christiana, also in Grange Hill. You can see some shower activity late in the afternoon. Partly cloudy conditions for Duncans, for Richmond, Moortown, also for Golden Spring and Bogwalk. But across the northeast, look for sunny conditions, generally sunny conditions, Port Antonio, Port Maria, Ocherius, as well as St. Anne's Bay. Now, the next few days, we do have isolated showers likely across western parishes on Thursday, while it's partly cloudy in the afternoon on Friday and also on Saturday. For the marine forecast, the north coast has winds from the east-northeast at 10 to 15 knots, while the wave heights are between 1 and 1.5 meters. Now, for the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds from the southeast averaging 10 knots, with wave heights averaging 1 meter, while for offshore areas, winds are easterly at 15 to 20 knots, with wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And then for our offshore outlook, we're expecting the wind speeds to be between 15 to 20 knots from the east-northeast. That's on Thursday. We're also expecting similar conditions on Friday and Saturday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 6:26, 6:29 in Mandeville, and at 6:32 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.